What is up, YouTube? Hemi Baz back with another video. This is gonna be a quick video. Today, as you see, we got the charger. You feel me? We got the charger outside right now. I'm gonna be putting on these taillight tints, whatever you want to call it, for this right here. Now, I'm gonna be blacking these out right here. So I got the kit and everything laid out. Got my hair dryer because you're gonna need that. So I already cleaned it. I already cleaned the surface. So right now I'm about to stick it on there, and we're gonna try and get it done. We're gonna do the driver trunk one first. Yeah, you can see it. That's not bad. It's not bad. Let me see what it look like with the... Oh, okay. Alright, bet. Alright, bet. This is gonna look better than I thought. I saw a video from somebody else and they said that it didn't make a difference. They probably got some cheap stuff or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's on there. Alright, bet. Alright, cool. Now that's on there. Come on, please. Looking at the wrong thing. Alright. Comparison real quick. It's the right side, left, lights on. Oh yeah, that's cool. Let me see what it look like with the will it show the turn signal? I gotta no, even that. There we go. I like that way better. Let me see the other side. Yeah, I like that a lot, actually. Don't say nothing about the inside of my car. I know I need to get it clean. But all right. And we're gonna do the right side real quick and then show y'all the final result. Finished product. It's looking pretty sweet. Oh yeah. That look crazy. That look crazy right there. Hold up. Let me get a little kind of cold start. Not really. So yeah, that's about the end of the video. I feel like the instructions are pretty straightforward and simple. Kind of just not really plug and play, but kind of just stick on and it's like a sticker. Just clean the surface, put the sticker on, hit it with some heat, get the bubbles out, and that's all you need. It comes with some of the tools as well. So like I said, man, I'm gonna try and drop more. I'm gonna try and drop more this upcoming month, like May, June. So y'all definitely gonna be seeing a lot more content as well. But other than that, that's how she's sitting right now. And nice little view as well. Yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, get your boy to 200 subscribers, man. We slowly growing, but I know I gotta drop more. So you feel me? I'm finna have hella videos on the way, bruh. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. And Hemi Baz, catch y'all in the next video.